Hi. 5 indispensable soft skills that your company and hiring managers value the most and expect of you. Are you ready? Let me begin with a story. An elderly carpenter was ready to retire. He told his employer of his plans to leave the house building business and live a more leisurely life with his wife, enjoying his extended family. Well, he knew that he will miss the paycheck, but he needed to retire. And he said, we could get by, right? The owner, the contractor, was very sorry to see his good worker go and asked if he could build just one more house as a personal favor to him. You know what? The carpenter said, yes, I would do that for you. But in time, it was easy to say that his heart was not in his work. He resorted to shoddy workmanship and used inferior materials. And he was half-hearted in his efforts. It was an unfortunate way to end his career. When the carpenter finished his work and the builder came to inspect the house, the builder handed over the front door keys to the carpenter and he said, hey, this is your house. And he said, this is my gift to you. What a shock, huh? What a shame. If he had only known he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently and with his wholeheartedness. Now he had to live in the home he had built, which was not well built. So, this is with us also. We build our lives in a very distracted way, reacting rather than acting, willing to put up less than the best. Do you agree? At important points, we do not give the job our best effort. Then with a shock, we look at the situation we have created and find that we are now living in the house that we have built. That is your half-hearted effort. If we had realized, we would have done it differently. Think of yourself as the carpenter. Think about your house. Each day you hammer a nail, place a board, or erect a wall. Build wisely your personal life, your professional life. It is the only life you will ever build. Even if you live in it for one more day, that day deserves to be lived graciously and with dignity. Agreed? The placard on the wall says, life is a do-it-yourself project. Who could say it more clearly? Your life today is the result of your attitudes, your choices in the past. Your life tomorrow will be the result of your attitudes and choices that you make today. You have to take ownership of your life. Personal and your professional life. That is your work. You have to take the responsibility, buddy, and own it. Unless you do not be the owner of your life and work, you will remain to be just another person. Make a difference. Make a difference. Well, I was talking about the five indispensable soft skills that your company and your hiring managers are looking for. What the heck are these soft skills? And how are they different from hard skills? Hard skills are quantifiable abilities, certifications, and expertise needed to accomplish professional tasks. Probably a fluency in multi languages, proficiency in your software programs, writing and grammatical skills are just a few examples of valuable hard skills apart from your functional and technical skills, which you will be an expert. Although certain hard skills do come more naturally to certain people, it is you, it is somebody else. And they are skills that can be taught and acquired through education, training, and experience. Soft skills, on the other hand, are more innate and subjective qualities that refer to how well people connect, collaborate, and communicate with others. Soft skills are essential interpersonal skills that make or break our ability to get things done in our current jobs. Do you agree? Yes? Take on new opportunities ahead. Today, companies and hiring managers are looking for these skills in 2020. Challenging times during this and post this. Soft skills demonstrate how we work with others and bring new ideas to the table. Soft skills include time management, creative thinking, effective communication, listening skills, leadership, and teamwork. The ideal job candidate or an already existing employee, as you are, it could be a new hire, will exhibit a balanced combination of both hard and soft skills. They need to be good at their technical work tasks, of course, but also pleasant to work for and with people. A recent report unveils employers' most highly valued soft skills for the upcoming year, and in 2020 is all about this top 5 qualities. Among all the others, your creativity, your persuasion, your collaboration, your adaptability, and emotional intelligence. Here's why showing up to work with these key soft skills gives you a leg up professionally. Are you ready? And many of you are raising your hands. Thank you very much. The first one is the creativity. Creativity isn't just a valuable thing of, people say that it is only for the art directors and copywriters. Companies in every industry need people who can ideate, innovate, approach problems with creative solutions. You see, no company can grow without fresh ideas. The pushing of boundaries, unique ways of thinking. These all come from the most creative people within the organization, and you as a new hire can contribute to it. The second one, persuasion. Persuasion is a difficult and delicately honed people skill that relates directly to effective leadership. Companies value people who know how to get others on board, who can successfully convince, debate, the importance of strong ideas, as I put it. Leaders and hiring managers value individuals who can explain the why above all the questioning: what, how, where, when, why. Persuasion. Third, collaboration. There is no I in team. It's a well known cliche, but it really does ring true in the workplace. A team that works in tandem is so much stronger than any one person could be on their own. Do you agree? But this can't happen without top notch collaboration from each individual. Competing egos, failure to delegate, poor communication can get in the way of team collaboration. Which is why possessing people's skill of collaboration is so essential today, especially in the challenging times. Are you ready? Good. Fourth one is adaptability. Do you hate change? You might want to work on that, at least when you're at the office. Employees who can face change, whether it is as small as a deadline swap or as sweeping as an organizational shift, with positivity, open-mindedness, and flexibility are the ones companies want to hire. And if you are already hired, you are the person to be kept around in the organization. Mind it, huh? Fifth point, emotional intelligence. I have been talking about it. You know that. I have created a video on that. What exactly does this mean? Once again, Emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive, evaluate, and respond to your own emotions and the emotions of others. While the first four soft skills above, along with that, emotional intelligence is new to the lineup. In my inputs today, it is replacing time management as the fifth most coveted soft skill. I will come back to you with time management on a later stage. Emotional intelligence, this particular ability is highly subjective and dependent on an individual's personality. They are highly attuned to subtle social cues, your social behaviors. You could be a driver, you could be a expressive person, and you amiable person or analytical person, but this social cues have strong and genuine people skills and are keenly self-aware. The way you communicate, the way you connect, the way you collaborate with emotional intelligence. Its propensity for both empathy and compassion make it very trustworthy, relatable, and easy to work with. So these are the five qualities, five indispensable soft skills that your company and hiring managers are looking from you. If you're already hired, it's fine. If you're about to be hired, these are the qualities that you need to be working on. That is creativity, persuasion, collaboration, adaptability, emotional intelligence. I hope you had a good time listening to me. This is Justin Babu, your workplace happiness coach. Looking forward to see you soon. with more videos. And you would have noticed that I've been doing some cooking videos, one of my passion. So do, during these challenging times, follow your passion. That's one of my passion, right? Thank you very much. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much once again. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. And cultivate this 5 indispensable soft skills that will help you become more stronger as a person, as a person who's looking forward to your personal life, your professional life, and your social life. Take care. Bye bye. Love you.